as we know that mass will not change and remains constant. Even though if the object is on the earth and the same object if you place on the moon, the mass of the object will remain the same. It will not change. So here the weight of a person remains same everywhere on the earth. So we are saying that mass will remain same, fine. But just now in the previous video we have learned that the weight of a person will change depending upon the location. So here we should know a formula to calculate the weight. So according to Newton's second law of motion, force acting on an object is the product of its mass and acceleration. I hope everyone know about mass, but what is acceleration? Acceleration is nothing but, here is an example. There is a car moving with 20 km per hour and it is taking a turn and again it is taking one more turn. Here you can see the magnitude is same, but there is a change in direction. So acceleration is nothing but the rate of change of velocity. What is acceleration? Rate of change of velocity. So what is velocity? Velocity is nothing but speed plus direction. So velocity is nothing but what? Speed plus direction. So here when there is a speed and a particular direction, then we will call it as acceleration, and the symbol is represented by the letter A. So you can see here speed is constant but only the direction is changing. So, and just now I said you that mass is a scalar quantity. Then what is weight? As I said you, if only magnitude is there, then we will call it as a scalar quantity. But you can see here there is a magnitude, even there is a direction. Then it is known as a which quantity? It is nothing but vector quantity. So this is nothing but known as acceleration. Now let us come to the next one here. That's what, keeping these points in mind, that is mass and acceleration, the equation is written as force is equals to mass into acceleration. Now here one more example is there. In this you can see an apple is falling freely from a tree, but you can see that there is a particular direction. Who is applying the force on the apple in downward direction? Obviously there is a gravitational force. So gravitational force is applied on the apple so that it will fall in downward direction. So here also there is a direction. So on any object, when there is a force applied by the earth, there is gravitational force, then we will call it as weight. Already we have learned that. But this here, the acceleration is taking place due to gravitational force. Because here the acceleration is taking place due to gravitational force, we will replace this letter A with small letter G. So the equation will become force is equals to mass into acceleration due to gravity. So here G is nothing but acceleration due to gravity. So according to Newton's second law of motion, force is nothing but product of mass and acceleration, that is F is equals to m into A. But here just now I have explained you, we are replacing the letter A with the small g, because here the acceleration is taking place due to the gravitational force. So that's why we are replacing the letter A with the small g, that is nothing but acceleration due to gravity. Because here acceleration is taking place due to the earth's gravity, we will replace the force F with the letter W. So it will become weight is equals to mass into acceleration due to gravity. So this is the formula we'll be using to find the weight. Now let us solve one small example numerical. Suppose they are giving you mass is equals to 20 kg. Then they are asking you to find the weight. So we know the formula to find the weight. So we will take W is equals to mass into acceleration due to gravity. We know the value of mass, but do we know the value of g? No. So scientifically, they have proven the value of g, that is acceleration due to gravity, is nothing but equal to 10 meter per second square. So now we will substitute the values. M is nothing but 20 and the value of acceleration due to gravity is nothing but 10. So it will become 200. But what is the unit we have to mention here for weight? Because weight is actually force, as we learned earlier. So what is the SI unit of force? Newton. So same unit will come for the weight, that is nothing but Newton. N is nothing but Newton.